This module will support you and your team in developing principles that will inform both the design of your emergency aid program and how you implement it. By definition, principles arise out of values like being student-centric, equity, accessibility, but take these words one step further to provide guidance on how to put those values into action. In short, by developing principles for your emergency aid program, you will be surfacing useful guidance for how those responsible for delivering emergency aid on your campus make decisions in context, taking into account the unique needs of students, but guided by overall principles, which in turn then contributes to delivering on the goals of your emergency aid program and to the values that your institution subscribes to. As you get into this work, you'll most likely discover that people delivering emergency aid on your campus are already guided by principles and use those to inform their decisions about how to respond to emergency aid requests. However, chances are that these principles are implicitly held by the individuals. They're not shared explicitly. And as a result, this can lead to inconsistent decision-making and a certain amount of unpredictability, both in the delivery of your emergency aid program and also in the experience that students have of receiving emergency aid. So it's our suggestion that you take time as a team to develop your emergency aid principles so that they can be shared and explicit and inform collective decision-making about how to respond to emergency aid requests, which in turn makes for a more efficient and high-impact program.